Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn LPP, programming problems. Okay, here I will show you some in different manner. Earlier video I have shown you LPP. Now some more information with greater than, less than. Okay, here the equation is directly given, like solve graphically max. Max means this is a profit problem. Z is equal to 300 x1 plus 400 x2. Subject to constraint means STC. What are the constraints? 5x1 4x2 less than 200, 5x1 4x2 greater than, 3x1 5x2 less than, 8x1 4x2 greater than, and decision variables are greater than or equal to 0. What we have to do first, the directly LPP is given, so first we have to change in equality to equality. Okay, means standard form. Like what is this? 5x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 200. Here 5x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 200. Then 5x1 plus here 5x1 plus 4x2, 5x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 100. Now 3x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 150. 3x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 150. Now 8x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 80. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out the points. How we can find out? The easiest method is for the easiest method I'll show you. Like for this equation, 5x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 200. Again 5x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 100. Then 3x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 150. Then the last 8x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 80. Okay, if you put 0 here, for example 5 in place of x we are putting 0. Okay, plus 4x2 is equal to 200. What will get? 4x2 is equal to 200. So what we can do, bring 4 down here, means x is equal to 200 divided by 4. So how much we get? We get 50. So means in x we kept 0, in y we kept 50. We got the 50. Same second time, in y kept 0. 5x1 plus 4 0 is equal to 200. What you get? 5x1 is equal to 200, means x1 is equal to 200 divided by 5. Bring here down below the 200. So 200 divided by 5 means 14. So how much? If we keep 0 in y, then we got 14. Oh, 0 in x2 mean we got 14 x1. This x1, there is a x2. Same, without calculation of wasting of time, this you can do this one. If we kept 0 here, only 4 will be left. 100 divided by 4 means, first 0 here, 100 divided by 4 means 25. If you keep 0 here and plus of 4 means x2. So if you kept 0 in x2, so x2 will be removed, only x1 is there. 100 divided by 5 means 20. Now keep 0 in x, first 50 divided by 5. 50 divided by 5 means how much we get? 30. If you kept 0 in x2, okay, 50 divided by 3 means 150 divided by 3 means 15. And here if you keep 0 in 8, we got only 4, so 80 divided by 4 means 20. If we keep 0 in x2, 8 divided by 8 means 10 we got. So we got the points. Now what we have to do, we have to prepare graph. Okay, let's prepare the graph. This is the graph. Okay, this one always x1, this one always x2 or y, we can also say. Here is always 0, means this is 0 comma 0, first extreme point. Zero, okay, x1 0, x1, this x1 is 0, this x1 is 0 here, but x2 is 50. X2 is 50 means, first what we have to do, we have to put 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Same as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. x1 is a 0, but x2 is 50. So x1 0 but x2 is 50 means here is the dot. First point. The second point, x2 is 40 but x1 is nothing, means x2 is 40. Sorry, x1 is 40. x1 is 40, x2 is nothing. x1 is 40 but x2 nothing. So we have to draw the line. Now, second, x1 is nothing but x2 is 25. Here is the x1, nothing, but x2 is 25 here. Second, x1 is 20 but x2 is nothing. So this x1 is 20, x2 is nothing. So we got 1 point and second point. So draw. Now the third point, x1 is nothing but x2 is 30. x1 is nothing but x2 is 30. x1 is 50 but x2 is nothing, means this x1 is 50 but x2 is nothing. So we have to join these points. Drag a line. Okay, now x1 is 0, x2 is 20. Okay, x1 is 0 but x2 is 20. x1 10, x2 is 0. x1 10 but x2 points are not there, so let's draw like that. Now let's see the arrows and points. First point, 0, 50. x2 is 50. Here 0 comma 50. The same thing, 40 comma 0. And second 0 comma 25. And 20 comma 0. Then 0 comma 30. Then 50 comma 0. Then 0 comma 20. Then 10 comma 0. Okay. Now take the lines. What is the lines? For the first, it is a first equation, it is a less than. Okay, so this is the first equation for less than. Less than means down. All lines should go down. Where is the instruction point? Interaction point is here. Means it is a 20. This is a 30. This is 30, 31, 32. Comma here is a 10. Eleven. Okay, 11. So this is the point where it is touching, means it is okay. Now second equation, according to equation you have to put the line. Second equation is a greater than. Greater than means above. All the lines are above. Second equation means 0, 25. This is 25, this one. All the lines are above. And third equation is less than. All equation below, 0 to 30. Below. And last equation, 0 to 10. Okay, what is the extreme point inside? This one is the extreme point which we have to calculate the answer. Okay, so how we can get, what is the extreme point here? First take this, because that this is the gap, so take this round circle one. How much? This is the extreme point, 0.30, then 0.25, then 0.0000. This one is 40, 0, and another one is 32, 11. What we have to do, we have to insert the objective function. How much objective function you want? Okay, what is the objective function in this problem? $300 and $400. Here 300 plus 400 y. Sorry, in place of y 30 I have to put. So 0, this one 30. 0, then 30. Then 300 0 plus 25. Oh, sorry, y is a 425. Here 320 plus this is a 420. Here is a 340 plus 400 0. Here is a 332 plus 411. Okay, this is what we are multiplying with objective function with the extreme point in the last steps. What we have to do here is a 0. What is the objective function? The objective function is 300, 400, 30. Okay, what you will get, this one is 0, so $1,200. So now this one should be bad. Okay, this one is a nil. 400 into 25. This is the 600, 6,000 plus 800. Now 12,000 plus, okay, sorry, this one is 0 now, right? 3000, multiply this one, 3000, 6000, 9600 plus 9600 into 4400, 10,000, 14,000. So what is the highest? 12,000. This one is a 12,000, 6,800, 12,500, 12,000. Means the maximum is a 4,000 only. Maximum is the 4,000. 4,000 is the maximum, so 4,000 is the answer. Thank you for watching. See my another video for little difference in LPP.